Okay, now you can mark your presentee. Okay. So students, this is our English grammars session number 12. Till now we have completed noun, their types, their number. Yes. Then today we are going to start with noun gender. Okay, we are going to learn about noun gender. You know how many types of gender are there in noun? For noun, how many types of gender are there? Yes, anyone knows? Two, three. Okay, let's see. See, so in today's topics are in today's lecture we are going to learn what is noun, gender, their types, and some examples like every time we do. Okay, so some introduction about that. In grammar, there is a classification of a noun or pronoun as masculine or feminine. Okay, ग्रामर मध्ये व्याकरणामध्ये आपण जे नाउन्स असतात नाम असतात त्याचं क्लासिफिकेशन कसं करतो मस्क्युलाइन पुल्लिंगी किंवा फेमिनाइन म्हणजे स्त्रीलिंगी नाम आहे असं म्हणतो therefore gender is a sexual classification in grammar gender comes from a latin genus meaning kind or sort we know that living beings are either the male or the female. Yes, we all know that living being, all the living beings are either male or female. आणि जेंडर हा शब्द लॅटिन या भाषेतून घेतला गेला आहे. लॅटिन मध्ये जीनस वरून जेंडर हा शब्द बनवला गेलेला आहे ज्याचा अर्थ होतो काइंड किंवा सॉर्ट म्हणजे प्रकार पाडणे. ओके बघा. See, this is category A and category B. Boy, girl. In category A, boy. Category B, it comes girl. Bull, cow, man, woman, dog, bitch. Like this. Okay, see. The words in the first column under category A are the names of male animals. Yes, you agree with this? The category 1 belongs to male animal. Yes. And the words in the second column under the category B are the names of female animals. You can see the words which are there in the category B are all included in the female category. Yes, female names of animals. There are a total of 4 types of genders that apply to living and non-living objects. Okay, there are a total of 4 different types of genders that apply to living and non-living objects. We can see now. First is the masculine gender, then feminine gender, then common gender, and the last one is neuter gender. Okay, let's see one by one. Now, how many types of gender are there in English grammar? 4. There are total of 4 different types of genders that apply to living and non-living objects. Okay. For living objects, we apply masculine and feminine both. Like this one. Yes, like this one. They all are living, like right? Animals. All animals are living, including human being. So we apply masculine and feminine gender for the living objects. But for the non-living one, we add 2 more, common and neuter. See, one by one we will learn them deeply. First is masculine gender. Masculine gender is used to denote that a sex of a noun is male. Okay, जेव्हा आपल्याला एखादं नाम पुरुषवाचक आहे असं कळतं वाचल्यावर कळतं की नाही तुम्हाला द नाउन इज फेमिनाइन और इट्स साउंडिंग लाईक मेल. येस, जेव्हा आपण एखादं नाउन मेल वर्जन आहे असं समजतं तेव्हा आपण त्या जेंडरला मस्क्युलाइन जेंडर असं म्हणतो. Let us see some example to understand this. Actor, author, bachelor, boy, brother, dad, etc. Okay. These are the common examples that we can that can be included in the masculine gender, that we can directly tell that yes, actor is a masculine gender, author is a masculine gender, bachelor, boy, brother, dad. These words, what they are denoting? These words are denoting that they belong to male. That's why actor, author, bachelor, boy, brother, and dad. This all comes under masculine gender. But what other words that can also become under masculine gender? See, masculine gender is often applied to objects which are a symbol of strength, violence, sublimity, and superiority. For examples, death. ओके, अशा शब्दांना देखील मस्क्युलाइन जेंडर अप्लाय होतं, जे शब्द आपल्याला स्ट्रेंथ, व्हायलन्स म्हणजे हिंसा, एकदम असं पुरुषत्व ज्या शब्दामधून तुम्हाला दिसून येतं की ही गोष्ट स्ट्रॉंग आहे, एकदम सुपेरियर आहे, त्या शब्द ते शब्द जसे की डेथ. ओके, डेथ इज सुपेरियर, डेथ इज स्ट्रॉंग. हेन्स डेथ कम्स अंडर अ मस्क्युलाइन जेंडर. टाइम, विंटर, समर, द सन, फिअर, लव. ओके, लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. कीप इन माइंड दीज वर्ड्स, प्लीज कीप इन माइंड दीज वर्ड्स. Death, time, winter, summer, the sun, fair, love, etc. comes under a masculine gender. Okay. See once again, masculine gender is used to denote the male sex. Okay. So actor, author, bachelor, boy, brother, dad, etc. And it is often applied to objects which are a symbol of strength, व्हायलन्स, सबलिमिटी अँड सुपेरियरिटी. जे शब्द आपल्याला सुपेरियर आहेत किंवा व्हायलंट आहेत, स्ट्रॉंग आहेत असं दाखवतात, त्या ते शब्द जसे की डेथ, टाइम, विंटर, समर, द सन, फिअर, लव या शब्दांसाठी, या शब्दांना सुद्धा आपण मस्क्युलाइन जेंडर म्हणू शकतो. ओके. Yes, these words also come under the masculine gender. Understood about masculine gender now? Tell me, all of you have understood masculine gender? Yes? Okay. Now what you will do, pick one masculine word and write a sentence with that. Okay, take one masculine word, whatever you will prefer. Everyone please write a sentence, please. I had two brothers. That actor is my favorite. Yes. Everyone please make it fast. Only Nidhi, Anag and Kadambari has written. Make it fast. What we have to write. Okay. Aditi, I have asked to write one sentence using a masculine word. One sentence using a masculine word. Okay. Okay, done. Many of the students are not writing the sentences. Okay, let it be. Our next type we will see now. Second one is feminine gender. Okay, feminine gender is used to denote that the sex of a noun is female. येस, आपण नावावरनच ओळखू शकतो. जेव्हा नावाचा उच्चार ऐकल्यावर आपल्याला असं कळेल की स्त्री आहे. येस, तेव्हा आपण फेमिनाईन जेंडर लिहिणार त्याला. Feminine gender is used to denote that the sex of a noun is female. Let us see some example of feminine gender noun like actress, girl, sister, lady, mother. Okay, this will be very simple for you to understand. Now, the feminine gender is often applied to objects which are a symbol of beauty, gentleness, gracefulness, fertility, softness, sweetness, and weakness, etc. Let's see some example of this kind. See, ज्या काही स्ट्रॉंग वाईल्ड अशा गोष्टी असतील त्याच्यासाठी आपण मस्क्युलर जेंडर वापरतो. तर अशा वस्तू अशा गोष्टी ज्याच्याने आपल्याला ग्रेसफुलनेस, जेंटलनेस, ब्युटी, फर्टिलिटी, सॉफ्टनेस, स्वीटनेस, वीकनेस अशा गोष्टींचा अनुभव येईल त्या गोष्टींसाठी आपण फेमिनाईन जेंडर वापरतो. लाईक द अर्थ, स्प्रिंग, लिबर्टी, चॅरिटी, मर्सी, पीस, रिलीजन, स्प्रिंग, ट्रूथ, names of countries, cars, ships, and of arts and sciences. These all will come under a feminine gender. Okay? The earth, spring, liberty, charity, mercy, peace, religion, spring, truth, names of countries, cars, ships, and of arts and names of arts and sciences will come under a feminine gender. Okay, when feminine gender is used to denote that the sex of a noun is female. When the sex of the noun is female, and the common names which comes under this feminine gender nouns are actress, girl, sister, lady, mother. But it is also applied to objects which are the symbol of beauty, gentleness, gracefulness, fertility, softness, sweetness, and weakness also. Now let us see some examples of this like earth, spring, liberty, then charity, mercy, peace, religion, spring, truth, names of some countries, cars, ships, and arts and sciences. Names of arts and sciences, these all will come under a feminine gender. Okay, understood everyone? Feminine gender, till now we were just learning that girl, mother, okay, lady, only these words we were learning that will come under a feminine word. But see, now we have learned very deeply that the words which are showing some weakness, pureness, love, then sympathy, these all will come under a feminine gender only. Okay, so take one word from feminine gender and start writing a sentence. I will show you the words. You can use these also or these also. I got my pretty doll. She is an actress. Okay, Veda, she is an actress. We live on Earth. She is telling the truth. My favorite subject is science. I have one Honda car. Okay. One, two, three, four. And I has written two times. One, two, three, four, five. Only five students have written the sentences. Okay, Shruti is sixth one. Anyone is supposed to write, or else should I move? Should I move to the next part? Next one, next type? Okay. Now the third type is common gender. Okay, common gender. A noun that denotes either a male or a female sex is called common gender. When you will get confused, is this a male, masculine, or a feminine? That gender will come into the common one. Besides masculine gender and feminine gender, there is a gender which is said to be the common gender. Therefore, common gender is mostly used when we don't have any information of the sex of the noun. Okay, जेव्हा तुम्हाला नाउन मस्क्युलाइन आहे की फेमिनाइन आहे याच्याबद्दलची काहीही माहिती नसणार आहे, तेव्हा जेव्हा तो शब्द वाचून तुम्हाला असं कळेल की हे मस्क्युलाइन आहे की फेमिनाइन आहे हे कळत नाही, तेव्हा तो नाउन कोणता असणार आहे? ते नाउन असणार आहे कॉमन जेंडरचा. What are the examples of this? See, let's see some example of common gender noun like parent. Parent. She is coming with her parent. Parent, not parents. Parent. मग ती तिच्या पालकासोबत येत आहे. याच्यावरून तुम्हाला कळेल का की पालक कोण आहे? नक्की तिची मम्मी येते का पप्पा येतात सोबत? कळतंय का आपल्याला याच्यावरून? Only if I am telling she is coming with her parent. No, we cannot recognize. So this word will be a of common gender. Child. A child is crying. Crying. How you will know that a child is a boy or a girl? No, we cannot pretend that the child is girl or that child is boy. So that will come under a common noun. Sorry, common gender. Pupil, servant, friend, thief, relation, enemy, cousin, orphan, student, person, baby, guardian. ओके, बेबी आपण लहान बाळाला बेबी म्हणतो, मग ते बाळ मुलगा असू दे किंवा मुलगी असू दे. So this will be a example of common gender. Okay, common gender is very easy to identify. Parent can be both mother. Mother is also a parent, a father is also a parent. Child, a girl is also a child, a boy is also a child. Yes. Friend, you have male friend also, you have female friend also. Enemy, तुमचा शत्रू मुलगा असू शकतो किंवा मुलगी असू शकते. स्टुडंट, विद्यार्थीच आपण म्हणतो, मुलगा पण असू शकतो किंवा मुलगी पण असू शकते. Yes. So all of you have understood what words will come into this gender, common gender. Have you understood? Okay, so write sentence using one of these. Write sentence using one of these. 14 students are there. 14 students. I want each and everyone to be written. I am a student. I have seen an orphan. I am a pupil. We have two servants. Okay. Please, everyone will write one sentence only. Okay. This student is very clever. So that I can get that how many students are writing. Please write only one word, one sentence. They are my friends. Okay. This student is very bad. I am a student. The thief stole money from the bank. Very good. My sister came in the school, not is. Okay, my sister came in the school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 students have written. What about the other 5? Should I take your name? Why you are not writing? Last night I saw that thief in my neighborhood. Yes. The 10th one. Now the other 4s. See a thief. Okay. Shardul, Om, you have now not written any sentence. What happened? Shardul, Om and Vedant. Okay, let it be. Let's move on. They are not supposed to answer also. Next, our fourth and last type is a neuter gender. Okay, neuter gender. नपुसक लिंग म्हणतो ना आपण त्याला. That is the neuter gender. बघा. A noun that is used to denote a living thing. Sorry, extremely sorry. A noun that is used to denote a non-living and a lifeless thing is used in neuter gender. असं नाम ज्याच्यावरून आपल्याला ती वस्तू मृत आहे म्हणजे नॉन लिव्हिंग आहे, निर्जीव आहे असं समजतं, त्याला आपण न्यूटर जेंडर असं म्हणतो. इट इज अ नाउन दॅट डिनोट्स अ थिंग दॅट इज नायदर मेल नॉर फिमेल. बघा, in the common gender what we have learned, they can be of both. It can be male also, it can be female also. But in this what we can say that this is neither male nor female. Okay, so this will go in the neuter. Note, what is a note? Neuter means neither, that is neither male nor female. Okay, you have to keep in mind. Common gender, both male and female can be included, and the neuter gender neither male nor female. Okay, let's see the examples. By seeing the examples you can get it very clear. Let us now see some example of neuter gender noun like book, pen, table, chair, radio, cloth, bus, motor, song, etc. बघा, मराठी सध्या इथून बाजूला ठेवा. मराठीचं बघायला गेलात तर तुम्ही म्हणणार ती बस चालली आहे. ती बस, ती बोलल्यावर आपण स्त्रीलिंगात लिहिणार त्याला. Yes, but in English grammar it is different. So bus will come into neuter gender only. It is not female, it is not male. So it will come into the neuter gender. Okay. So see the words book, pen, table, chair, all the non-living things. Okay. All the non-living things will come into the neuter gender. Understood? What are the example? Book, pen, table, chair, radio, cloth, bus, motor, song, etc. Yes, now write sentence by using these words. Any word from these? You can choose any word from these and write a sentence. I have 6 books. Okay, you have to write books. I have a new pen. I will go to mall. This is my book. I broke my chair. The book is mine. Bus will arrive in some minutes. I'm going to school. This is my table. I want to buy a turning chair. This is my pen. I like to read the science book. There is a motor in that fountain. Yes, done. You all are done. See, one table representing all the things that you should keep in mind about these 4 genders, that is masculine, feminine, and common and neuter. Okay, some things that are tabulated, uh, which you should keep in mind. First, masculine used to denote the male sex. Feminine, it's used to denote the female sex. Common used to denote a common sex which can either be male or female. Neuter, gender that applies to the lifeless things that neither be male, neither male nor female. Examples of masculine: father, brother, uncle, etc. Some examples of feminine: mother, sister, etc. Some examples of our common: baby, friend. Examples for neuter: table, chair, etc. Okay, got? Now write one example of each and everything. Shala. First masculine, then feminine, then common, and then neuter. First write, yes, yes, only a word, only word. First masculine, write for masculine. एकदा 4 लिहू नका, so that you will also not get confused. First write masculine. Yes, brother. Father. Boy. Love. No, yes, teacher will not come in that. Teacher can be both. Common, that will come into both. Masculine I have asked. Park, no mother. Mother will come in feminine. Yes, sir. Sir will be, sir is not a particular noun. That sir is actually ते एक प्रकारच्या पदवी प्रमाणे आपण यूज करतो. Like we are calling them. Okay, you can use it. चला लिहा पटापट everyone. Actor, father. Yes. Summer. Okay. Done. Done all of you. Now, feminine. Feminine. Write for feminine now. Let it be for masculine. Write for feminine. Actress, mother, mother. I'm still asking. No teacher. Teacher will come in common. Sister, mother, girl. Yes. Teacher is of 2 types. Now it may be a female or maybe a male lady. Yes. Some words like earth, spring, liberty, charity, mercy, peace, religion, spring, truth, names of cars, countries will also come in this. Okay, ships, art, sciences. Okay, now third one, common gender. Common gender, child, pupil, teacher. Servant, friend, thief, student, stall. What stall? Which stall? Stall. What do you mean by stall? Student. Okay. No, how it will come in common gender? Stall is a non-living thing that will come into a neuter one. Now, neuter gender. Neuter. Radio. Bus. TV. Motor. Mobile. Fridge. Cloth. Thief. Computer. Bad. Pen. Shop. Box. Rule book. Note. Okay. Now, let's see some worksheets on that. See, a woman is a feminine noun and man is a masculine noun. Okay. Use the word list to help you fill the gaps below. So, some of the time you have given a masculine gender, you have to write for a feminine. Some of the time you have given a feminine gender and you have to write for a masculine of that. So, mother, what will be the masculine of mother? Tell me, father. Yes. Okay, father. Husband is given. What will be the feminine gender of husband? Wife. Yes. Boy, boy, girl. Okay. Sister, sister, brother. Grandmother, grandmother, grandfather. Yes. Uncle, your spelling for aunt or auntie should be Aunty or Aunt. Okay. Next. Daughter, daughter, son. Yes. Good. Nephew, nephew, niece, niece. Okay. Prince, prince, princess. Queen, queen. King. Lady, No, man will be for woman. Lord. Okay. Lord. Lady will be the Lord. Bridegroom. Bridegroom. Bridegroom, I have asked you. Bridegroom is groom only. You have to write bride. Okay? Yes, bridegroom's opposite is bride. Bridegroom म्हणजेच okay, understood? Bridegroom is वर and bride is वधू. Next, duke. Duke. Duke म्हणजे सरदार. Duke. Duchess. Yes, Duchess. Okay, now the next one. See, here are some table. Here is one table, and some words are given in that. You have to tell me what you will put in that. Okay, in what table you will put the word in. Yes, let us start. First is table. In what you will put table? Neuter. Okay. Friend. Friend. Common. Hen. Hen. Feminine. Yes. Pencil. Pencil. Neuter. Drake. 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 Masculine. Yes. Do you know what is mean by Drake? Yes. Okay. Good. It will come into masculine gender. Emperor. Emperor. masculine. Yes. Which, which, feminine. Gander, 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 masculine. Rock, rock, neuter. Parent, parent, common. Now you have clearly understood. Yes. Okay, here you have options also. Aunt, aunt. See, the options are given feminine. Yes. School, school, neuter. Yes. Student, common. Yes. Lion, lion, masculine. Duck, duck. See the options mentioned over there. Tell me what option you will choose for duck. Yes. No, you should use a common one because every type is called as duck. Okay. Wife, wife, feminine. Okay, this we have done. Okay, what you will use landlady for? Landladyचा masculine gender काय लिहिणार तुम्ही? Landlord. Very good. Actor, actress. Goose, goose, geese. Widower, widower, widow. Sister, brother. Okay, done. You all got whatever we have learned today? Yes, clearly understood. Any doubt? Okay, any if any, you can ask me. Okay, while writing, please see the options also. Cause for goose we have you have written geese. Geese is a plural word of goose. Okay, one goose, many geese. So the perfect word will be gander. Gander म्हणजे male house. Okay. Yes. While writing, if the options are given, try to write from that. Because geese is a plural word of goose. Goose, one goose, many geese. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now, if you don't have any doubt, you can leave the class. Bye bye, everyone. Thank you for patiently listening and answering all the questions. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Please leave the class, Vedant, Bhavesh. Please leave. Vedant, leave the class.